In recent times, speculation pointed toward the Google Pixel 7a as the final installment in Google's A series of smartphones. However, fresh rumors suggest otherwise. Google maintains a consistent annual release cycle for its Pixel lineup, unveiling new models with enhancements and advancements. This tradition underscores the company's commitment to delivering impressive technology to consumers. In recent years, the Pixel 7a followed the Pixel 6a in July 2022, continuing the trend of iterative improvements. Preceding these, the Pixel 5a and Pixel 4a were introduced in August 2021 and August 2020, respectively, further solidifying Google's annual release schedule. Considering this pattern, industry analysts anticipate the upcoming debut of the Pixel 8a in late spring or summer of the current year. With Google I/O 2024 slated to commence on May 14, speculation is rife that the event may serve as the platform for the Pixel 8a's unveiling. This anticipated release timeline aligns with Google's tradition of introducing new Pixel models around this time, maintaining excitement and anticipation among consumers and tech enthusiasts alike. The recent FCC certification of the Google Pixel 8a on March 18 signals a significant step towards its release. This development heightens expectations of a launch during Google I/O in May. The design of the Pixel A series often mirrors that of its flagship counterparts. Leaks prior to the Pixel 8 launch hinted at a Pixel 8a with rounder corners, akin to the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Subsequent leaks, including images of the purported Pixel 8a box shared on the Google News Telegram channel, reinforce similarities to the Pixel 8 design. The materials used in the Pixel 8a may blend those of the Pixel 8 while incorporating cost-effective alternatives to maintain affordability. Notably, leaked images of the Pixel 8a in early April showcased its sizable bezels, particularly at the bottom, contributing to its budget-conscious design. Expectations for the Pixel 8a's specifications include Google's Tensor G3 chipset, although it will likely be underclocked for budget performance. The display size, reported to remain at 6.1 inches, may feature upgrades such as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Leaks suggest an enhanced display refresh rate of 120 Hz, surpassing the Pixel 7a's 90 Hz, alongside storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB. An upgrade from the Pixel 7a's sole 128 GB offering. Reports indicate a larger 4,500 mAh battery for the Pixel 8a, compared to the Pixel 7a's 4,385 mAh. Noteworthy upgrades include a suite of battery statistics and faster wired charging support at 27 watts, augmenting the Pixel 7a's 18 watts charging capability. Camera specifications for the Pixel 8a are expected to mirror those of its predecessor, featuring a 64-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 13-megapixel selfie camera. Software enhancements akin to those seen in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro may further improve imaging capabilities. The Pixel 8a is anticipated to run a clean version of Android 14, with potential updates aligned with those of its flagship counterparts. While specifics regarding the extent of software support remain unclear, the Pixel 8a is poised to receive timely updates, possibly including Android 15 upon its release. Google's pricing strategy for its A-series smartphones has varied compared to its flagship Pixel line. For instance, the Pixel 7a debuted at $499, while the Pixel 7 started at $599, creating a $100 price gap that favored budget-conscious consumers. Recent releases, such as the Google Pixel 8 priced at $699 and the Pixel 8 Pro at $999, suggest a potential across-the-board price increase. Rumors hint at a slight price hike for the Pixel 8a in the European market. This could translate to a $100 or more increase in the US market. Conversely, some sources suggest the Pixel 8a may retain the same $500 starting price as its predecessor, as per a leak by reliable source Yogesh Brar. The anticipation surrounding the Google Pixel 8a continues to grow, fueled by leaks and rumors that offer insights into its features and specifications. With expectations of an imminent release, eager consumers await official confirmation from Google regarding the Pixel 8a's launch and pricing details. So what do you think? Are you looking forward to upgrading your phone to Google Pixel 8a? Let us know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.